Hi, my name is Mary Colin and welcome to your insanely short yoga break at work, also called no yoga pants yoga. That's right, I am wearing really tight pants today. So we will adjust as much as needed in our yoga poses today, and there will be no forward folds. Let's get started. Place your feet hip-width distance, please. Rest your hands on your belly. Let's ground ourselves. Take a deep belly breath in. Expand your core like a balloon. Hold. And slow exhale through your mouth. One more time. Deep inhale into your lower abdomen. Feel your hands moving forward. Retain your breath. And an even slower exhale. Awesome. Drop your hands down by your side. On your next inhale, find chair pose variation. Lower your tailbone down and back. Reach your hands forward so your palms are facing up. Gaze down into your feet. If you can't see your tippy toes, shift your weight even more into your heels. Lift your heart. Take one more inhale. On your exhale, rest your hands on your thighs. Stay here. Awesome. Take a breath in, baby cow. Roll your shoulders down your back, open your chest, gaze up. Exhale, baby cat, round into your spine, tuck your chin in. Inhale for cow, open. And exhale, cat round. Nice. Roll yourself slowly up. Hands to your hips. Widen your stance. And here it really depends on how tight your pants are. Mine are really tight, so I can't go as wide. I'm mirroring you. From deep within your right hip socket, rotate your right leg out so your right tippy toes are facing the side. Let your left foot follow. Lightly bend your right knee, just so much as above your ankle, slightly behind. Reach your arms forward and back. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Reach your front arm up, lower your back arm. Exhale. Come back to your hips with your hands. Parallel your feet. Let's do the other side. From deep within your left hip, open your left leg so your tippy toes are facing your side. Let your back foot follow. Deeply bend your left knee. Right on top or slightly behind your ankle. Open your arms to the front and back. And then inhale, reverse your warrior. Reach your front arm up below your back arm. Exhale, hands to your hips. Bring your feet forward again. Now toes out, heels in. Lower into horse. And I know this might be not as deep for you, and this is the same for me. The pants are very tight. Place your hands onto your thighs. Let's find some twists. Take a breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist to one side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist. Let's do this once more. Breathe in, center. Exhale, ring it out. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist once more. Nice. Come back to center, into standing. Bring your feet together, maybe jump together. Hands to your heart. Thank yourself for showing up. Namaste.